Today we will be testing the RSI Trend Indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI Trend Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 53 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 744 indicators, with 296 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 7 of the winning indicators. 4 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, with the best one 64% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the RSI Trend Indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. You can also see it, coloration of the bars here up on the candlesticks here. And so what we are looking for is not necessarily the bar coloration switch from one to another. We're going to add an extra layer into this. And so what we are looking for is when the ribbon here, if you want to call it that, the ribbon here is either down into the green zone or up in the red zone. Then we are looking for that coloration switch to take place. And so, for example, when the ribbon, the oscillating ribbon here, is down in the green zone and we get blue candles, we are going to go long. When the oscillating ribbon is up in the red zone and we then get a red or maroon colored candle, then we are going to go short. So that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up was a long signal right here. So our ribbon is down in the green zone down here, and we get that bar coloration switch to the light blue bar right here. We get a little bit of a push down here before we then recover and make a nice little push to the upside, which does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal that we pick up is a short signal. So our oscillating ribbon is up here in the red area. Then we pick up a red bar right here. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's a little bitty skinny kind of pin bar there. But that is a red one there, confirmed by the switch in the oscillating ribbon here. And it also has the small little, I know it's really hard to see, but these small little triangles here that switch color as well. So yellow little triangle here appears when it switches to blue, and the maroon little triangle here switches when it turns to the red maroon color. And so we get that switch right here, and we get an immediate push to the upside on that one. And so that one does come up and stop us out, unfortunately. Let's go ahead and continue on. So the next signal that we pick up is another long signal. So we get that push to the downside right here with our ribbon, and then we get a switch to the blue bars here. We get a nice push to the upside there, and that does come up, and it does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on to this one here. All right, so we then pick up this short signal right here. We get a gap down there from 1 week to the next. Get a push to the upside here, stays within our 75 pip stop, so we don't trigger our stop, and then we get the nice push to the downside, and so that one does come down and get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so before we take a look at what this indicator was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server here. This is our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. The channel just for our patrons to hang out on. We have some really great advanced information that we're posting here. This is Sasquatch. He is an amazing Forex prop trader, posting regular Forex analysis, doing some really wonderful stuff here. Actually just posted a little while ago here, giving an update on one of the trades that he called out here. Again, really amazing stuff. Lots of information you can learn from Sasquatch posting these charts and the analysis. Our admin Jay is doing regular futures analysis and posting charts for the futures. Myself, I'm day trading the S&P 500, posting those trades in real time as I'm taking them throughout the day. And if you're interested as a patron, you can reach out to either myself or our admin Jay. We'd be happy to give you a little bit of time for a one-on-one session. If you have questions, you need help kind of excelling or dialing in something that you've been working on, then we're happy to give some information or our input the best we can. And so there's a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so back to our indicator here. Let's go ahead and get everything in focus here. There and there. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we get out of this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winning trades. And so that will meet that 60% criteria right on the dot there. Interesting indicator. Seem to be giving pretty decent signals at reasonable times. Yep, all in all, can't say too much bad about it. Got us to that 60% criteria. Wish it gave us more trades within the 1 year's time. I guess that's one thing that I kind of wish it would have bumped up, maybe 5 more, 10 more trades within the 1 year's time. But Again, if you ride out some of these nice trends throughout the year, multi-week or even multi-month trend runs, if you can ride those out, then you don't necessarily need a whole lot of trades within 1 year's time. So, all right, that's it. This one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.